History's Hiccups, Part 31. Dive into the saga of Ivar the Boneless, a legendary Viking leader and son of Ragnar Lothbrok. Known for his fearsome reputation and strategic brilliance, Ivar commanded the great heathen army that ravaged 9th century England. His mysterious nickname, Boneless, intrigues historians. Was it a reference to a physical ailment or a metaphor for his agility or cunning in battle? Despite this ambiguity, Ivar's military prowess was unquestionable. He masterminded brutal campaigns, including the notorious execution of King Edmund of East Anglia. Ivar's blend of tactical genius and ruthless warfare significantly advanced the Viking conquests in England.